guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Luna and I am so excited today, you guys, because I did something crazy. Okay, I found this girl on Instagram and you can follow her at The Stylist Witch, and she does these Zodiac season outfit bundles, and I was like, where has this been? And so I bought two, actually. So I don't know if this is the first one or if this is the second one. The first one I bought was an a la carte. Basically, you can choose any zodiac sign and she will put together a bundle for you, a whole outfit of your size with the vibes of that sign and any of your muses or anything. And I wanted to go full Scorpio because I feel like I've been getting a lot more into that, you know, sexy dark side. And I think for the past couple of years, my style's been very flowy, hippie, earthy, which I love, but I want to have some more, you know, sexiness in there. But then she came out with the Venus bundle, which is everything I ever wanted, like lace and satin, and she had these mood boards, and one of the pictures was Fran Drescher, and I was like, no, of course that's there, it's gonna get me. So I bought both. So I don't know if she shipped them both in here or if this is just one of them. I literally have not opened it. I've had it for like 2 days and I haven't opened it yet because I wanted to open it on camera with you guys. So let's just open it and see what happens. You guys are gonna see how bad I am at opening boxes because of my nails. Speaking of which, Pisces season nails. I'm not wearing all of my rings right now. I feel like my boob's gonna fall out. Okay. Oh, you guys. I'm just gonna show you what I can see. Is that nails? Whoa, okay. I don't know the best way to open this. It looks really pretty and I don't wanna I don't know how to do this. I'm just gonna pull stuff out. I don't know where to start. Oh my God, I don't know where to start. I just sneak peeked at something. I was trying to open it a different way. I'm just gonna open it this way, you guys, because it's too complicated. Oh my God. Look at those earrings. Oh, these are so cute. You guys know I love, 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 love jewelry. Oh my God. They're kind of like a little tarot card. Like this square style. Oh my God. You guys, that is sexy. Who is she? Okay, like I said, I'm just gonna open it this way. Oh my God, okay. Okay, I think there's a note in here. We're gonna start with this. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at this. Rave nails. Look at freaking that. These are glue-ons, like that's like my thing. I love these styles of nails. They're easy and they stay. I've never tried this brand. I usually just use the Kiss brand. So I'm excited and these are so cute. Oh my God. Okay. So this is like our welcome card, I think. Okay. So this is the how-to for the Rave nails thing. It's just like a little intro, but this is her card. Okay, and she's got like her website and her Instagram on the back. Very cute, very cute. I'm gonna read it. Okay, so I think this is the Scorpio outfit. Okay, I know I was like, I don't want to read ahead because it's gonna tell me stuff, but then I just read it silently. So it says, Luna, hi my love, here's your sexy and sacred Scorpio outfit. I hope you love it and I hope the dress fits well. I added these gorgeous earrings that match the breast of the dress perfectly, as well as this fun and gorgeous purse that I sourced brand new. I also added this grungy plaid top to give this look the option of dressing it down. Plus, I think it adds hella Lana vibes. Hee hee. Your Venus bundle is not far behind, but Both of them share these romantic and seductive motives. So grateful that glamour led you to me. Sending you so much love. XOXO, Gabby. So cute. The reason she mentioned Lana is because when I like entered my muses, I mentioned Megan Fox, Lana Del Rey, who else? I don't know who else, but those are like my main like hot girls. Okay. So everything's individually wrapped. I'm just gonna pull everything out. Okay, so this one. Ooh, I think this is the plaid top. I love the way, so weird. I love the way thrifted clothes smell. They always have like a story to them. Ooh, that feels hella comfy too. I love that. Oh, I love it. And it looks like a little bit oversized, which is definitely good. Because I like things like this to feel a little bit bigger. Oh, so cute and very, very soft. Very nice. It does smell good. I think that she also like, her big thing, she like meshes this fashion guru energy with witchcraft, and so she like blesses everything and brings Venus energy into everything, and you guys know me and Freya, so like it's great. Okay, I think this is the purse. I like don't know what to open. This is crazy. Okay, I'm gonna open this. Oh, this is cute. Oh, this is cute. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that shine. Oh, wow. Oh, that's cute. Oh, I love him. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, last up, we've got this bad boy. I don't know why in my head it was black. This was a big surprise. She had asked me about a measurement or something and she talked about a dress, and in my head it was black. Oh, what? Oh, this is interesting. Oh, wow. That is so cool. Hella red, bro. Hella red energy. That's so cute. And I love that the roses, they match the earrings. I think she might have mentioned that. Oh my gosh. It looks a little big, which is slightly scary. But we'll have to try it on and see what happens. Shall we? Shall we try it all on? Okay. See you guys in a second. Okay, you guys, this is the dress. It's a little big. I just don't think my boobs are quite big enough. And also my waist is just smaller. But like if I took that in just like a little bit, it's the way it's like fitted, and it's got this like kind of, I don't know the technical terms, but like these like slight bonings. I actually really, really like this. This is not something I would have like picked, but this looks like so like regal and vintage and like, ooh. And I'm not a seamstress. I don't know how to do that, so I'd probably go get it done, but like, I don't know, this is sick. I like that. And like the satiny vibe. Who is she? Yeah. Yes, queen. Okay, let's throw on the flannel and see what that looks like. Okay, so we brought in the flannel. This is the vibe. It's so soft. What do you guys think? I honestly will just wear this flannel with everything. Like anything that's like a comfy cardigan, I wear it when I wake up because I sleep naked. So when I get up, I'm like, okay, put on something cozy, but like you can wear these with anything. I really like how soft it is. Yeah, this has definitely got that like Lana, like grungy but sexy vibe. And this is the purse up close, you guys. Look how freaking cute that is.
want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. You wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? If I could make you see.
And of course, don't forget these earrings. These earrings are so cute. I honestly don't know what I was expecting, but I wasn't expecting these, and I've never seen anything like these really. I think this is like just so cool. This really, really surprised me. I love the gold vibe. The outfit. This is like, okay, genuinely, you guys, this is like surprisingly really cute, and I mean that because like I would not have picked this dress, but putting it on, it's really pretty. And like I would never have thought to put a flannel with a dress, but like I trust it, and like with it, I get it. It makes sense, you know what I mean? So I feel like, I don't know, it like pushed me into this cool boundary, and I'm freaking loving this green color. That's not typically something that I would go for, this like golden green, but it's really cool. It feels like I feel like when I go for Scorpio energy, I usually just do red and black, but it definitely feels like Scorpio. And I don't even know how to explain that. But it's like, I could see myself doing some sick witchcraft in this. And I love that she threw in the nails too. That was really cute. But yes, I love that. So let me know what you guys thought. If you want to see the Venus bundle, I might just do that on Instagram. But what'd you think of the video? Do you like things like this? I can do more videos like this if you like. This was just very impromptu and I wanted to share this with you. What was your favorite item? We've got the flannel, the dress, the purse, little earrings, and the nails. What's the vibe, you guys? I don't know if I can really choose a favorite because they're so different. I think the earrings really surprised me. The purse is the most like thing I would see and be like, that's totally me. Like, this is super me. The dress really surprised me. I wish it fit better, but I'll just have to go like get that hemmed or something. And I really like the flannel's really cozy. And I am very excited to try these nails because I love like glue-ons. And I've never tried this brand, but I have seen them a ton. So anyway, that's my thoughts. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.